Good evening, everyone. This is my example of private access modifier. This is my example about private modifier. Ma-access ni siya diri lang gid nga class. Hindi siya kaya ma-access outside the class. Hello everyone. This is my example of access modifier. This is my example of access modifier. Kay nga ma-access sa other class is akong igamit ng access modifier is public.
Hello everyone, I'll be creating a Java program about default access modifier. For a start, default access modifier is also called a package private, which means that all members are visible within the same package. For example, create my class object equals new my class, parentheses, in we need to create a method take my method parentheses. Okay, and we need to create a class my class void my method. Why we use method? Para kuan man na siya, dili na siya, para dili lang ta magbutang og statement sa atong method diri sa atong class nga my class. System.out.println. Let's just put some this method is from my main package only. Try ito gan. Expected from void method. Okay, sorry. Method. Okay, as you can see, this method is from my main package only. So kato siya nga code. Dito ra gyud siya mabutang sa package nga sa my main package. Pero dili to siya accessible sa uban package. So mao ra to tanan. Thank you. Hello everyone, and I'll be creating a Java program about protected access modifier. So before we start, protected access modifier is accessible within the package and outside the package as long it was protected. So let's create a class object. For example, our subclasses or our superclasses is child. Our object name was child equals new child, parentheses, and semicolon. And we need to put a protected method. Child display protected message. Why we use this method? Kay mo print ni sa message nga naka-protect. And child modify protected message. So, nauman naman tani, so we need to create a class. First class was parent. So as you can see, parent atong class. So atong ibutang dira nga para maka-declare tag message kay kaning display. Okay. So protected string protected protected message what was hello parent. Hello parent, and we need to create a protected method nga display. Protected void display protected message. Message, and we need to create a system print line para mag-declare siya, para ma-declare ning hello parent or ma-output ln pro so pag kuman uy kaki so pag human ani butang na pud tag class nga child para sa to modify class child void modify protected message. Protected message, and we need to create para sa aning sa hello parent magtang tana protected message equals hello child semicolon message message. So as you can see, duha ka class, so we need to extend this one. Kailangan nato magamit og extend para ma-extend ang mga ma-extend ang class sa ang lagi class sa parent para ma-extend ang mga methods and variables niya. Extend parent. Okay, let's try to run this program. I hope mo gana. As you can see, nigana siya ang atong giprint. Hello parent and hello child. That's all. Thank you.